Hello. I'll let you look out the window. No, you won't. Anyway, you requested the sound of my car. Here's a push bike going like stink. You can't see it, I'm afraid. So, growl. Hope you hear that. Boom, 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 I'll put you in a different position now. Edit coming up. GoPro, stop recording. Might be a lot of wind noise. Yeah, I'll do. Roadwork sign. Somebody's knocked all the cones over though. That's good of a minute. Here we go, just for you. Too much wind noise. You're going to go up a sec. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoop. There you go. Ooh, heel and toe. Oh, bit of wheel spin then. 3. This is response. 2, 1. Private bit of road, by the way, this. Still going. It's a very bumpy road, and plus me jumping on the brakes hard. I cleaned my wheels yesterday and they're a pig to clean, and they'll be full of brake dust now, thank you. Into the 40s, never speed in a 40, never speed anywhere. Oh, there's a gentleman selling his wares. 75 pence, he was cheap, wasn't he? You'll just have to tell me where's the best place to put this camera in this car. At the moment I'm on the driver's front side window, inside, obviously. GoPro stop recording. GoPro turn off. GoPro stop recording.